So hey guys, we're playing Jigsaw, and I don't know if I'm going solo, but I can't go solo. I don't know if I should. Right, like and subscribe so we can go over there, the part 2. But first we're gonna go to part 1. So guys, I'm gonna cut the video since this might take long. So guys, we're finally in the game. And yeah, let's just play it. I don't know why the others are fat. This happened last time I played this. Easy. We just have to... escape. You'll die by Jigsaw. I just heard something because there was an earthquake earlier. Don't know why. If you want to you will have 60 seconds. There are only 5 keys for 5 doors, and there's a lot of people here. Let the game begin. Go, 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 go. Please tell me. Yes, I found key 3. Go, go, go. Whee! Yes. I know what those things are. Those red things on top. And now I have a contraption on my head. And there's Jigsaw right over there. I really need... This is a reverse bear trap. It pulls your mouth open. Pulls your mouth open like this. It will pull it that one right... Oh, like that. But not normally. Normally it's just like this. Our mouth just opens like that. That thing. But this contraption just lets you... Oh, it just pulls off your jaw. Super. And I don't know what happened over here. What happened to my camera? Okay, there we go. The device, which is locked on your head, is connected to your upper and lower jaw. When you run out of time, it will open wide, destroying your jaw in the process. 60 seconds to get to the key and free yourselves. Also, no spoilers, but you have to press the red buttons. You'll also have to escape through one of the doors outside your room. Your time starts now! Click the red circles, click the red circles, click the red circles, click the red circles. Circles. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, I'm pressing it. I'm pressing it. Come on. Come on, I'm almost there, please. Yes, yes, go, go, go. Grab it, grab it, grab it. I just gotta put the key in here. Yes. Open me. No, it's mine. Yes. Taken, taken. Oh no, that girl. That girl's dead. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, not this one. Not this one. Not this one. Uh-oh. We're all gonna die. In front of each of you is a loaded shotgun. Soon, the cube at the top of the cylinder will change its color. Once it does, you will have 10 seconds to press the button, which is colored the same as the cube. Be the fourth to press the correct button, and the shotgun facing you will shoot. If you fail to press the correct button in time, the shotgun facing you will shoot. That doesn't even make sense. Are you quick enough to stay alive? No. Green, 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 green. It's green. Please don't shoot me. I swear. I pressed it. I swear. Oh no! Oh no, not this one. Not this one right over here. Wait, what happened? Oh. 3 dummies, 1 for each of you. The dummy in front of you represents your life. If it dies, you die. Soon the saws will start heading towards the dummy's direction and will reach their target in 90 seconds. What target? Save your dummy by unlocking all of the locks on it. The keys for the locks are at the end of the room. No! Once you unlock all of the locks, the saw approaching your dummy will deactivate and case behind the dummy will open. That's the key for your freedom. Hurry though, only 2 of you can escape this room. Oh no! Your time starts now. Come on! Come on! Let me move! Oh no, that was too late. That was too late. That was too late. Come on, grab a key. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. I'm so slow. Come on, put it in. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna die here. I am so gonna die here. Come on, grab a key. Oh no, the saw is getting closer and closer. The saw is getting closer. No. Oh my goodness. Oh no, 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 oh no. Come on, just 2 more. Just 2 more. Put it in. Oh no, no. Oh no, it's the last ones. I'm the last one. I'm so dead. I am so dead. I am really super dead. Yes, come on. No, they finished theirs. I'm dead. No. Come on, put it in. Put it in. But yes, get it. Let me out. Come on. Too late. No. Oh, I died. No. So guys, subscribe and like if you want more of this. Bye now.